AI is not just changing the world as we know it, it's revolutionizing scientific research. But is this a positive shift, or are we heading towards a future where humans are no longer needed in the lab? One of the most jaw-dropping examples of this is Google DeepMind's AlphaFold 3. AlphaFold 3, developed by Google's DeepMind AI unit, is an AI tool that has taken protein structure prediction to an entirely new level. This revolutionary software is a game-changer, pushing the boundaries of what we once thought was possible in the field of protein structure prediction. So what exactly is AlphaFold 3? Simply put, it's an advanced AI tool that predicts protein structures with astonishing accuracy. But it doesn't stop there. AlphaFold 3 has been upgraded, and it can now model not just proteins but DNA and other biological molecules as well. This is a major development as it broadens the scope of its potential applications significantly. The software incorporates techniques from AI image generators, which allow it to generate incredibly detailed and accurate models of these complex biological structures. This is a huge leap forward from previous versions, giving scientists a powerful new tool to help them in their research. The way AlphaFold 3 works is truly fascinating. It uses artificial intelligence to analyze the amino acid sequences that make up proteins. It then uses this information to predict the three-dimensional structures these sequences will form, and it does all this with a level of accuracy that was previously unheard of. This has huge implications for fields like drug discovery, where understanding the structure of proteins and other molecules is vital. But what sets AlphaFold 3 apart is its color-coded confidence scale. This feature gives users an indication of how confident the AI is in its predictions. In other words, it tells you how much you can trust the model it has generated. This is incredibly useful as it allows researchers to focus their efforts on the most promising leads. But that's not all. AlphaFold 3 has even more to offer. The software is now available for free access via the cloud. This means that anyone, anywhere in the world, can use this powerful tool to aid their research. This is a major step forward in democratizing access to advanced scientific tools. And it's all thanks to Google's DeepMind. Not content with just revolutionizing protein structure prediction, AlphaFold 3 has extended its capabilities to model other biological molecules. This is not merely a statement of intent, but a testament to the relentless pursuit of innovation at Google's DeepMind. AlphaFold 3 is not a one-trick pony. It is a multifaceted tool that can model DNA and other biological molecules with a high degree of accuracy. Imagine the possibilities this opens up. DNA, the blueprint of life, the complex molecule that holds the genetic instructions for the development, functioning, growth, and reproduction of all known organisms and many viruses. Now we have a tool that can predict the structure of this intricate molecule. It's like having a map to navigate the labyrinth of life on a molecular level. But it doesn't stop there. AlphaFold 3 extends its reach beyond DNA to other biological molecules. This means it can be used to understand the structures of a wide array of biological components, each with their unique roles and functions. From the building blocks of cells to the proteins that drive the chemical reactions within our bodies, AlphaFold 3 is proving to be a versatile tool in the field of molecular biology. Moreover, the software incorporates techniques from AI image generators, which allows it to predict these structures with a high level of detail. It's like having a highly skilled artist who can paint a picture of these molecules in their most intricate detail. To ensure users can trust its predictions, AlphaFold 3 also offers a color-coded confidence scale. This means that, along with the predicted structure, you also get an indication of how confident the tool is in its prediction. It's like having a guide who not only shows you the way but also tells you how certain they are of the path. However, despite its impressive capabilities, AlphaFold 3 is not without its limitations. But then again, what tool is perfect? Perfect or not, AlphaFold 3 is undoubtedly a significant advancement in the field of protein structure prediction and molecular biology, with potential applications in drug discovery and scientific research that we are only beginning to grasp. Like any technology, AlphaFold 3 isn't perfect. It has its limitations, which we must acknowledge. Just as the sun has its spots, this revolutionary AI tool too has its blemishes. One of the main limitations of AlphaFold 3 is the color-coded confidence scale it uses for its predictions. While this feature provides a visual representation of the tool's certainty in its predictions, it's important to understand that these are just that, predictions. The color-coded scale ranges from blue, signifying high confidence, to red, indicating low confidence. In essence, this means that while AlphaFold 3 can predict protein structures with high accuracy, it's not always certain. The shades of red on the scale are a stark reminder that, even with the most advanced AI, there's always room for error and uncertainty. Another limitation is the availability of AlphaFold 3. Although DeepMind has made the software available for free access via the cloud, this doesn't necessarily mean it's accessible to everyone. For small-scale researchers and institutions on a tight budget, the computational resources required to run AlphaFold 3 could pose a significant barrier. And let's not forget that the use of AlphaFold 3 requires a certain level of expertise in the field of bioinformatics. While the tool is incredibly powerful, it's not as simple as pressing a button and having the answers delivered on a silver platter. It requires skilled operators who understand not only the tool itself, but also the complex world of protein structures and how to interpret the results. Yet, even with these limitations, the release of AlphaFold 3 marks a significant advancement in the field of protein structure prediction. It's a leap forward that has the potential to catalyze scientific breakthroughs and accelerate the pace of drug discovery. It's a testament to the power of AI and a glimpse into the future of scientific research. The release of AlphaFold 3 has undoubtedly opened up new horizons in scientific research. With its enhanced capabilities to model not just proteins but also DNA and other biological molecules, we are looking at a tool that could redefine our understanding of life's fundamental building blocks. Imagine the possibilities. With AlphaFold 3's high-precision modeling, researchers can gain unprecedented insights into the complex world of proteins and DNA, potentially leading to breakthroughs in medicine and biology. The software could play an instrumental role in drug discovery, helping scientists design more effective and targeted treatments for a range of diseases. It's like having a high-powered microscope that can see right down to the atomic level of biological molecules. Moreover, AlphaFold 3's potential goes beyond medicine. It could assist in understanding plant biology, potentially leading to more efficient and sustainable agricultural practices. It could aid in environmental studies, helping us understand and potentially combat the biological effects of climate change. But perhaps the most exciting aspect is the unforeseen applications. As with any revolutionary tool, there are likely to be uses for AlphaFold 3 that we can't even begin to imagine today. It's a bit like the early days of the internet. We knew it was going to be big, but who could have predicted social media, streaming services, or the gig economy? However, as we move forward into this brave new world of AI-powered research, it's essential to remember that tools like AlphaFold 3 are just that, tools. They don't replace the need for human insight, creativity, and ethical judgment. They're here to augment our capabilities, not to supplant them. As we stand on the cusp of this AI revolution, one can only imagine what the future holds. So, there you have it. The revolutionary AlphaFold 3 from Google's DeepMind, a tool that's rewriting the rules of scientific research. We've delved into how this groundbreaking AI has made a significant impact on scientific research, unveiling its power to accurately model not just protein structures but DNA and other biological molecules. We've also uncovered the extended capabilities of AlphaFold 3, including its adoption of techniques from AI image generators, and the potential applications this has in the fields such as drug discovery. But we've also been honest about its limitations, acknowledging that while it's a game changer, it's not without its challenges. More importantly, we've explored the future of scientific research with this tool, painting a picture of the immense possibilities and the exciting journey that lies ahead. If you found this video informative and want to stay updated with the latest in AI, remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep exploring the future with us.